Hello everyone, this is Kitish here. In this video, I'm going to go through the AQA Combined Science Biology Paper 2 Higher Tier from 2023. Question number 6 is on topic of homeostasis and response. The control of body temperature is an example of homeostasis. Give one other internal condition controlled by homeostasis. Do not refer to the temperature in your answer. So one other internal condition, one good example is the control of blood sugar levels. But there are also other examples. You could say blood sugar or glucose levels or concentration. The water content of the body is also controlled by homeostasis. 6.2. Explain why the control of body temperature is important. Now, body temperature needs to be around 37 degrees, which is the optimum temperature for enzyme activity. All cells contain enzymes. All chemical reactions are catalyzed by chemical reactions. Without enzymes, our cells will stop working. So, the best answer is to maintain the temperature close to the optimum conditions for enzyme action. The temperature of long-distance swimmers can change as the length of time swimming in cold water increases. Figure 4 shows how the body temperature of one swimmer changed in the first 4 hours of a long-distance swim. So you can see that the temperature is starting at 37 degrees Celsius, and after 4 hours it's gone down to 35.5 degrees Celsius. Calculate the mean rate of body temperature decrease per hour in the first 4 hours of the swim. So how do you do that? Well, the starting temperature was 37. After 4 hours it was 35.5, which is a drop by 2.5 over 4 hours. So if you divide that by 4, you get 0.375 degrees Celsius per hour. 0.375. Is it 2.5 or 1.5? It is 1.5 here. Sorry, that's a mistake. So that one was 1.5. Hypothermia is a dangerously low body temperature. For this swimmer, a 5.5 degrees % decrease in body temperature from the start, which was 37 degrees Celsius, of the swim will cause hypothermia. So, if the body temperature drops down from 37 degrees by 5.5% of this, then it will cause hypothermia. Determine the body temperature at which this swimmer will start to have hypothermia. Give your answer to two significant figures. So, let's find out what is 5.5% of 37 degrees. So 37 divided by 100 will give me 1%. Multiply that by 5.5% is what I want to know. That gives me 2.035 degrees Celsius. That's 5.5% of 37 degrees Celsius. So if it drops down by 2.037, what will be the body temperature now? 37 minus 2.035 will give me 34.965 degrees Celsius. And that answer in two significant figures is your last fourth mark. In two significant figures, it will be 35 degrees Celsius. A decrease in body temperature causes the adrenal glands and the thyroid glands to be stimulated. Which gland secretes hormones to stimulate the adrenal glands? Now, adrenal glands produce which gland secretes hormones to stimulate the adrenal glands? Now, the adrenal glands are stimulated by the pituitary gland, which is found in the base of your brain. That is the gland which controls your body temperature. Explain the role of the adrenal glands in responding to a decrease in body temperature. What does the adrenal gland do if your body temperature goes down? Well, the adrenal gland produces adrenaline in your body. Now, adrenaline is naturally produced when you're under stress. It's called a flight or fight hormone. And what it basically means is it actually is produced when you are under stress or when you are running, or it's basically used to increase your body, your heart rate. Why does your body want to increase your heart rate? Well, the main idea is to increase the oxygen your body gets and the amount of glucose that is delivered as well. Why do you need the oxygen and glucose in your body? Well, the body is trying to carry out more respiration to produce more energy, right? So in the case, how does that all link to increased body temperature? By moving too much, by contracting the muscles, the body can actually help increase the body temperature. So how do we write this answer? Adrenal glands produce and release adrenaline, which is needed to increase the heart rate. This ensures faster delivery of oxygen and glucose to the brain and muscles, because more oxygen and glucose are needed for respiration in muscle cells. Muscle movements such as shivering helps to increase the body temperature by releasing heat. So when you are really cold, our body automatically starts shivering. And the reason for shivering is actually to increase our core body temperature. 6.7. Explain how the thyroid gland controls the response from a decrease in body temperature by negative feedback. Well, the thyroid gland, which is found at the base of in your throat, produces the thyroxine hormone. And the thyroxine hormone does this. Let's bring the answer. A decreasing body temperature causes the thyroid gland to produce and release the hormone thyroxine, which increases or stimulates the basal metabolic rate. What does that mean? It helps to increase the amount of how fast the metabolic rate or chemical reactions are taking place in your body. So increasing the body temperature will decrease the release of the thyroxine hormone. So if your body temperature is at about 37 degrees Celsius, the thyroid gland is not producing thyroxine. That means how fast your chemical reactions are taking place is maintained. If it goes down, if your body temperature goes down, then the thyroid gland produces thyroxine, which increases the rate of reaction of chemical reactions in your body. That brings us to the end of the question and the series for the 2023. All three papers have now been released, the videos for biology, chemistry, and physics. Please check out the videos. If you find them useful, give a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content, sign up and subscribe. Thank you.